welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and this channel is all about beauty, hair, cooking, pranks, fun, and so much more. I'll teach you how to take care of your mind, body, and soul, and how to live your best life with joy and happiness. So if you are interested, go ahead and drop a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. Please check out my other videos and tell me what you think.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling
Protective styling. So before we go ahead, I would just like to define protective styling. Protective styling is to basically keep your hair tucked away in order to discourage tucking, pulling, and low manipulation. They are also meant to encourage hair growth, save so much time for those, lazy like me who don't want to do their hair every day. The whole idea is, like I said before, is to not touch your hair every chance you get. Some people even consider protective styling as a key to their hair growth. So now that you know the definition of protective style and what it does, let's go to the types. Types of protective style could be Marley twist, box braids, knotless braids, Senegalese twist, fox with stranded braids, ponytail, pineapple updo, flat twist, butterfly, fox locks, crown braids, Bantu knots. Yes, Bantu knots is definitely protective styling. Long fox locks, passion twist, those are actually my favorite. Fulani braids with beads, those look so cute with anybody. And the goddess locks. I've actually seen those a lot going around. And for those who have questions, yes, you can definitely wash your hair while it's in protective styling. So the reason why you wash your hair for protective styling is you want to have a clean and healthy scalp, because when your scalp is clean and healthy, your hair grows. It's just like growing a plant. If you don't give them the necessities, they won't be able to grow. Sunlight, water, love, all of that if you're a plant grower. So shampooing your hair while it's in protective style is very important, like I stated before, because it creates a healthy environment for your hair growth. It minimizes the chances for you getting a scalp disorder. So basically, like if you suffer from dandruff or a dry scalp, it definitely helps. Even scalp infections, that definitely helps because your hair or your scalp is clean. So now that we know the definition of a protective style, the types of protective style, and what it does, let's move on to 4 ways to protect your edges, because we all need our edges. One way to protect your edges is wear a silk or satin scarf. And please, I've seen this plenty of times when females or people with protective styling will leave their protective styling in for 2 months. Please do not do that, because then you'll be overstressing your hair and just putting too much pressure on your hair. And it's just leaving protective styling for too long will do more harm than good. The second part of protecting your edges is stay away from skinny partings near the hairline. You've been warned. So my favorites are braids, twists, and locks are great for protective styling. So the other mistake that I've also done is when I have protective styling, I don't moisturize my scalp. I don't massage my scalp. So make sure you also do those 2 things. They are very important, just as like shampooing your scalp. And protective styling can do so much, but honestly, the rest is up to you. Okay, so protective styling is very easy, very simple. So I would definitely encourage anyone and everyone to do protective styling in the winter. That's more of when protective styling is technically needed because, it's cold. So by protecting your hair in the cold or in the winter time, it definitely will help with your hair growth or whatever desire you like. So my last advice for protective styling is to do it more in the winter time than summertime, but to each his own. Whatever you prefer, go with that. Summertime is basically more of an activity time. You know, you don't really want all that. I don't know, I just don't want the hair all over me, touching me, and just doing extra stuff, even though it is doing its purpose. But also overprotecting your hair, like I stated before, will do harm. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime your girl posts a video. And yeah, just comment down below what you like about this video, or comment down below what extra things you learned, because I've seen these videos a lot, but there's certain things that people are not really saying. And if you learn anything different or anything special, please comment down below, and comment a pink heart, because that's my favorite color. That means you riding with me.